today we're going to look at multiplication when you have a two-digit number. We're going to look at two different strategies today, and then we'll look at some more later on this week. We're going to start with one that we already know how to use, which is repeated addition. Now the question we're going to try is the one that I had given you in your challenge last week, and that is 16 times 9. So when we're going to do repeated addition, we can do it two ways. We can either write 16 nines or 9 sixteenths. And I think that's going to be the easier one. So we'll put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we need to start adding these up. So I know that 6 plus 6 is 12, so I'm going to start there. So those two make 12, those two make 12, 12, and 12. And then I have one more at the top. So now I have 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 6. So let's do that up. So this is 24, and this is 24. So now I've got 24 plus 24 plus 6 from that one up there. So I know that that's 10, so that makes 14. And I have to carry my 1, 2, and 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So that means that this column is 54. We know that 54 is too big to stay in the ones column. We're going to put the 4 down there and carry the 5. And then we're going to add up to the tens column. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I know that 19 times 6 is 144. So you could do it that way with lots of repeated addition until you get the number of groups that you have in your equation, or you can try it this way. This time we're going to break the equation apart into easier equations that we already know. So for example, I know that 9 times 10 is 90. So instead of 16 times 9, I'm going to write 10 times 9. And I know that that's 90. But I'm going to have some that I still have to calculate because I don't have 10 times 9, I have 16 times 9. So now I have to figure out what 6 times 9 is, which I know is 54. Then I just have to add my two answers together to give me 16 times 9. So we know we have 4 here, and 9 plus 5 is 14. So my answer again is 144. Let's try another one. This time we're going to try 3 times 15. This one is a good one for repeated addition because there's not that many that you need to put down. We know that this is just 3 groups of 15. So 5, 10, 15. Carry that 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. We know that our answer is 45. You could also break this one apart. We could do 3 times 10 plus 3 times 5. I know that 3 times 10 is 30 plus 3 times 5, which is 15. And I know 30 plus 15 equals 45. So that's two different ways to do multiplication when you have a number that's bigger than 10. I'm going to leave you a couple questions to try on your own. You can either use repeated addition or you can break it apart, up to you. I'm going to get you to try 15 times 6, 25 times 3, and 7 times 18. Give these a go and leave your answers in the question box below. Have a great day. Bye.